So kanina may nagtanong sa comment section ko, we know you're in your editing era, Kuya Ramen. Can you still share some of your thoughts sa long form or medyo long form? So I said yes, sabi ko, sige, pag may time ako. And I think pag sinabi kong may time ako, may time naman tayo lahat, pero I'm sure na hindi ako mag-make time for it. So this is me making time for it. So ano bang thoughts ko lately? I've started taking a risk of not relying my funds sa trading. I still trade, by the way. I don't post it. I don't need to. Regulations are pretty bad when it comes sa crypto, especially sa Philippines. Yeah, tinanggal na actually lahat sa apps ng Play Store, App Store, yung mga trading shit. And di na ako active doon since I have this business na Prime Ape Club, and lately I started Prime Media System. It's hard, it's a new environment for me. I never create contents for other people, pero I jump into it. Sabi ng friend ko, ako meron akong clinic, yung friend ko isa meron ng coffee shop, ikaw Ramen, anong binibuild mo? Yes, meron akong content creation, yes, meron akong crypto, but aside of that, ano bang isa pang gusto mong gawin? And I contemplated to it. Sabi niya, isa lang naman yung lagi mong ginagawa na nag-enjoy ka, sabi sa akin. You enjoy creating stuff. You enjoy creating videos. You enjoy editing. So, why not make money out of it? So, I started Prime Media System a month ago. Gawa ang video. Minarket ko siya. Kung clients, organic clients, thanks to Prime Ape Club, which is my community dito sa gym. Ako ang clients. And the thing is, first, it's hard. Wala namang madali. Pero, yeah, I got client. And ito na yung naging fruit niya for 1 month. Ito yung una kong binili. Bakit ko siya binili? It's worth 100k. Bukod sa inyong kinita ko, I want to reinvest it here. Because again, this is a business na binibuild ko. So, kailangan ng mas maayos na gear. And of course, I want to be more presentable sa mga future clients ko. So, yeah, that's what I do. Plus, kanina sa event, may nagsabi sa akin na videographer. I talked to 3 videographers kanina. First is yung content creator ka na friend. Hinarang niya ako doon. Uy, sabi ko, dito ka pala. Shoutout kay Matt. Sabi ko, okay ba bumili ako ng 24 to 70 na GM2, which is super mahal, 100k. Or Sigma, which is 70k lang. Sabi niya, go for 100k. Yung quality iba, you will use it long term. And hindi naman siya basta-basta. And also, bagay siya sa gym nyo. So, yung sabi niya. Then, I met Mickey, his friend. She's also a content creator. Nag-talk rin siya kanina. Sabi niya, go for 2470. Dalawa na sila. And, nung nandun ako sa Henry's, sabi niya, may tumitingin ng bag. Sabi ko, kayo sir. And parang titingin na kami ng bag. Kinausap ko siya, sir, videographer din kayo. Sabi niya, parang medyo pioneer na siya sa videography business. Sabi niya. Tinanong ko siya, ano bang kailangan mo? Baka makatulong ako. And sabi niya, go for Sony. Sabi niya, naka-Sony ka, diba? Go for Sony. It's an investment. Savings mo rin yan. And so, I did. I took the risk. Yes, mahal siya. Pero, computing the expense or yung growth naman in the next few months, kaya siyang i-ROI ng 1 month. So, might as well do it. Again, in life, the greater the risk, the greater the reward. Of course, di naman lagi, pero alam ko lang sa trading, risk to reward ratio, if yung risk mo is 1:3, yung reward, then go for it. Basic risk reward or risk management. If gagastos ka ng 100k, pero yung may earn mo naman is 300k, then buy it. Simple mathematics, kaya not solve. If gagastos ka ng 100k para sa isang bagay na hindi mo naman maruroy, then don't do it. So yeah, I bought this one. It's pretty fun. I'm excited to use it. Meron akong shoot in the next few days. And yeah, hindi na manghiram. Yun lang naman yung goal. In the first year of buying this camera, ang main goal ko lang is to ROI it. Maroy ko siya gamit yung camera. Hindi ko pa siya nagagawa soon. Pero yeah, it's been pretty fun. And the thing is, I created Ramen Daily, naalala ko lang, not to be known sa crypto. I created Ramen Daily to be known sa sarili ko. Kasi, hindi lang naman crypto yung buhay ko. Hindi lang naman crypto yung ginagawa ni Ramen. I'm studying. I'm on my last sem na of my course. Graduate na ako next year, di ba? Meron akong gym na na-build. May friends ako. And I turned 25. Di ko pa nga tapos yung series ko nung 24 years old ako eh. You know, there's many things that happened and I lose followers. When you have this fan base, they follow you into something. Kaya content creator ka. So they know you for something. And if hindi ka nagpo-post about it, you lose them. And the lesson na gusto kong matutunan nyo is, it's okay. You will lose a lot of people sa buhay mo. And especially sa mga online, hindi naman sila kilala. Yan, follow ka nila, it's okay. Di ka nila panoorin, it's okay. Hindi mo naman sila control. And if you're intentional naman sa contents mo, you will bring followers, new followers back na fina-follow ka kasi gusto nila yung content mo. So, yeah, okay lang naman. Yung mga nag-stay dyan, it's okay. Thank you very much na sinusuportahan nyo pa rin ako. Pero yeah, I've been pretty busy. I got a new laptop na regalo sa akin. So, good thing. And yeah, a lot of things happens lately sa lahat. Move out ako. Problema, hindi ko pa na-achieve yung 6-pack ko. Pretty busy. I think yun, malapit na, soon. Yung next goal ko siguro. Mas mauna naman ma-achieve yung 7 digits kaysa yung 6-pack eh, no? Last year pa na problema yan. I think it all boils down na lang sa disiplina talaga. Anyways, that's it. Quick catch up lang. Okay guys, anong ginagawa nyo? Make sure that you build something for yourself, not for others. And make sure you enjoy what you're building. Document everything. Mahirap, get it ka. If you're creating contents, then document mo. Again, everything starts somewhere. Everyone starts somewhere. The problem is, not everyone starts at all. So, see you guys next video. Love you all. Peace. Bye-bye. Saan ko i-upload to? YouTube, TikTok? Bahala na. Kahit saan.